throw a candy out in the street, city and pick up delivery and stuff.
That's what I thought. I heard that.
Went by hours. X amount of hours was worth X amount of miles. Actually, when you got 25,000 hours, that was very equivalent to a million miles.
So then you get a certain amount of points? And
yeah. It depended on what program they were in at the time. It used to be that they didn't have any of those things. And they did for quite a long time. And then there was only a small couple of things I wanted to do in my career at Roadway. One, I wanted to retire from and two, I wanted to make my million miles. And when I left, I had 22,800 and some odd hours. It was like that close to making a million miles. They give you a set of clippings, a set of not cast metal.
oh, yeah.
Metal truck trailer, a set of clippings, and they give you a you actually mark out your own assigned.
I worked for Tektronix for 15 years. A piece of crap, Swiss Army. The littlest one, Swiss Army with a little tech scratched on it.
Back in the 60s or 70s. Uncle Jack worked for Tektronix.
Hi. You know how you don't know people? You can know by the size of the person or whatever.
Oh, Dad, get it out!
Well, I'm playing some pretty good games, though.
Good job. Good kick. Way to recover.
You get a residual charge off the CMC. All you can do is jump around. I'll say out.
Jump all over it. Good kick. Stay right there. You're on the ball the whole time. Okay, here we go. Good job, Dylan.
Keep it up. Come on.
You got this,
Good pitching.
No, 15.
Oh, 15.
Yeah, they were starting to have some issues in 90. We had a good game. I production engineering and
Come on, number 9.
We had three district managers and one regional manager. Oh, these are people that have been here 25 years. We're pulling down 3 2 and my manager, he was in Salt Lake at the time, and he handled Denver. There was 4 or 5
Good eye, Hills.
And getting rid of 2 of the guys, and one of the salespeople and an office engineer. With applications, customer applications, stuff. I mean, he was truly a software engineer. He knew stuff. And they said, no, we don't need him anymore. I didn't want to go. I mean, I wanted to go, and my manager talked to me to stay in the last 6 months of the fiscal year. And they were laying on Doug, and he said, you know, and Doug Bill doesn't want to go. And what do you say? You talk to me to stay.
Come on, will you?
Get my bonuses.
Hey, he puts stuff in now. You're fine.
Let me check. And part of the reason
You got a hair in your mouth or something, dude?
I've gone around with that manager.
I'll be doing that, man.
Let's go, man. He's driving. Called back a little bit later. So we realized if I In fact, I was.
Yeah.
Thursday, and excluded.
Let's go, Madison!
Come on, Madison.
Staff manager
Good eye.
of his own OB. And his reason I just have to raise my hand and say, yeah, they did. Yeah, I happen to be the one that confirmed it. But yeah.
There you see it. Nice pass.
So, go, Maddie.
There you go now, 2 strikes. Go, Maddie, drive the ball.
I was very weak. He turned
Good eye. Come on, Addie Reese. Let's go, Addie.
You know, and he's basically it was those that could leave left. Those that had jobs and he did good jobs. And these are, I mean,
Here we go. Big hit, Addie. Let's go now.
top of it, we already got hired, you know.
Oh yeah.
I mean, this was no slouch job. Yeah, it's not a sure especially since really good
Good job, Addie.
He only had one account.
Time.
I had hundreds of accounts. Small account. Yeah, he got both. He had his own office. I only gave him an office.
Oh, okay.
Inside both. He was in
House
there.
account.
He was in there. He was in there. Phone book and everything else. So people just walk in there.
Who's on deck?
You can't have that ball.
He only did 100.
Can you keep that pencil in here?
Salary plus commission. Yeah. And that's what how would you and vacation time. They wouldn't pay out sick time. You could accumulate sick time, but you would never pay it. You never actually use it unless you retire. I had 20 hours of vacation. That was a vacation.
Hey, here we go.
And so they paid me out. Sold the house for $0.
Good hit. Yeah, good hit. Good hit, Dylan. Good hustle, ladies.
Well, they're their last names, but junior age.
Come on, Hollis.
Yeah, like a while ago.
I wish I'd done.
on, Grace. Big hit, Grace. There you go. Big hit, number 9. You got this. Watch that ball the whole time. Watch it to the back. There you go, Harold. You got that.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
So yeah, I think it's that one.
For us.
Good hustle, lady.
Right there.
Back. Come on, Maddie, you got it.
brief full
The situation.
the situation. And finally, I was on 10. Finally, it's the $10 an hour. It's true. I go, you said this? I said, what do you mean I said that?
Tanner, come play second.
You know, and Andrew's also fits in. Yeah. Same spot.
You already know.
No, different. It was not the
Oh, okay. I thought it was good. Show me some love. Show me some love. And I had a meeting and he goes fine. And he called in. And he said, no, you can leave any time. I said, 2 weeks. He said, 2 weeks. At the time, my brother, he goes, tell me what's happening. This is.
Come on, Addie Reese.
Keep your head down.
All right, Dylan, keep it up. This time over the fence. Hollis. Good eye, Hollis. One ball, one strike.
Yeah!
Go, girls, got a hit now. blanket for the car. Oh, okay. Good throw. Good pitch.
Right here, Malia, look at it!
Good pitching.
Nice job, Madison! Way to go, Madison! Keep going, Malia, keep going. You got this. Let's go, 5.
Good catch, Cox. They were, neither one of them wanted to give it up though. Take away. You don't mind that. Hold it! Other side. Tried to get out of the way. Just kept following me.
Nice job, Bob. He was probably 60.
Stop. Rebound. Good shot.
Nice try, girls.
Stop. Here we go.
But today wasn't.
Up. Come on, Lily. One more. Two straight. Here we go. Here we go.
That was a foul.
Good eye. Oh, two strikes. Well. Three balls, two strikes.
Find it, Lily, find it. Find it, Lily, find it. Oh, Lily's gotta find it.
I'm not 100% sure. We'll find out more details today. I'm sure she's playing one now, but my
Nice man. You know how to hang out.
Haley.
I'm of course saying whatever you want.
There you go. Good hit, Hales.
Nice
Come on,
job.
Maddie. You have to go! Hopefully. Come on, Eddie. So she just see if you can maybe go her up. Good hit!
Nice job!
Good hit, Eddie!
Two outs, lady! Play the one! Get ready!
Come on, 4-9. There you go.
No, you're good, yeah.
Sure? Wasn't your hand bandaged up the last time I saw you?
You gotta get that. Let's go.
Oh, probably. This was
Right.
What?
purple green.
Oh.
Also, Patrick, we want you
Oh, good! Oh, yeah. Well, he wasn't there a little bit ago. I was like,
Glad my fingers weren't in there. That was close.
All right, here we go.
that may assist. I think this thing
We're gonna get on the ball.
Okay.
Heather me. I think I
Double!
Window, 2 strikes.
He was good. I think he was getting bored with just walking around, so he started to pick up a lot Thank you. Come on, Penny. No, where did you go? One out. One out. I think you got a chance. Nice talking, Dylan.
On the shoulder. Be aggressive. Let the back toe go right at it. Look good, huh? Good, right? Hey, let the ball breathe with the top here. It's nice and loose up here. We're just coming to contact and driving through. All right, here we go. You got this.
I'm only
She's almost full.
Here you go. Good job, ladies.
And the cutoff is always
See how easy hitting is, ladies, when you're aggressive?
Thank you.